Person detected at porch doorbell.
Hey everyone, this is Stans and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share a cool addition to our smart home. It's this Tapo video doorbell camera. So this is the D235 model. It's packed with features that make home security smarter and more convenient. It's gonna be a detailed video. I'm gonna share all the amazing features, installation, and how it works. So let's get started. First, let's look at the features. It has battery or hardwired options. The 2K resolution offers crystal clear video quality, and it has 180 degrees ultra wide view, so it will capture everything from a visitor's head to their toes. Here is the night vision. It's in full color, so no more grainy black and white footage at night. And the built-in spotlight provides vibrant and full color video. Yet another impressive feature is that it has smart AI detection and notification.
Person detected at porch doorbell.
We have the Alexa Echo Show, so we get the notification over here. You will also receive the notifications on your phone, iPad, or tablets. It has two-way audio with a high-quality mic and speakers. Here's a demo. Hello.
Hi, I'm with the Honest Snow Removal Company. Would you like to have snow removed this season with us?
If you can leave some information by the door side, we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Okay, I'll leave the information on the door handle for you. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye. Quick response. So this doorbell reacts instantly to motion. It's weatherproof, rain or shine. This doorbell performs really well in all weather conditions. And it has local and cloud storage, so we can use a micro SD card up to 512 GB or Tapo Care cloud services. The Tapo video doorbell came in this box. I'm gonna unbox. It comes with the quick start guide or installation manual. Here is the Tapo smart chime. Here is the video doorbell. Here is the jumper for existing chime. It also comes with mounting screws and anchors. Here is the USB Type-C charge cable, 3M adhesive and foam pad. And here are the mounting wedges. Micro SD card is not included. This one we bought it, so this is 16 GB. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Installation is super easy. So my husband is going to do the installation. Before installing, make sure to turn off the power. We are gonna go with the hardwired setup. So here's the old doorbell. First, we are gonna remove it. Comparing with our old doorbell, Tapo doorbell is much larger. I'm loving it. It has a sleek, bold and modern design. We removed the old doorbell. We're going to keep this wiring. So we're going to mount the new doorbell on top of this. It comes with a mounting template. So first, we're going to attach the mounting template here. This template is very helpful. So take the wire through the hole at the center of the template. On the template, it even shows where to put holes. So using a drilling machine, drill holes on the top and bottom. Next, keep the wedge. So we are keeping one horizontal wedge. Put the screws and mount it well. Next, going to screw in the small screws. There are 4 screws. We have mounted the bracket. Next, we are going to put the screws on the back side of the doorbell. Connect the wires to the doorbell and then tighten the screws. There is no plus or minus because this is low voltage AC. In case if the wires are short, you can use these to extend the wires. So these were included in the box. Before mounting, we are going to put the micro SD card on the back of the doorbell. So there is a slot here. So insert the card and that's it. We have connected everything. So the final step is to mount the doorbell to the bracket and it's done. To remove the doorbell, it's pretty easy. It comes with a detaching pin. So there's a hole on top of the doorbell. So just insert the pin and press it, and that's it. It will come off. It comes with USB Type-C cable, so if you're going with the battery option, you can plug it in on the back for charging. In our case, it's hardwired, so we don't have to worry about charging. Next, we are going to plug in the Tapo Smart Chime. Here's the doorbell transformer. We want the bell sound to come out of the Tapo chime, so we're going to keep the jumper in here. Remove the cover from the transformer and then loosen up 2 of the screws. Keep the jumper and then tighten the screws. It's pretty easy to do. Here is the close-up view. So this looks good. So next we are going to close with the cover. Now when the doorbell rings, we can hear the sound through the Tapo Smart Chime. Next, we are going to set up the doorbell with the Tapo app. So turn on the power, it's on the back side. Click and hold for a few seconds.
Doorbell on.
Right now the light is blinking and it's changing color. So we already have Tapo app on our phone. If you don't have it, you should download the app. It's a free app. Next, we are going to do the pairing. We just have to follow the instructions on the app and the setup will be complete. So it found the device. So next, it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi network. We can also name the device. We are going to call it Porch Doorbell. It's doing the configuration. So everything looks good. Click on this. Tapo Care Cloud Services, they're offering 30 days free trial. So we're going to give it a try. And the good thing is we don't have to add our credit card for the trial. Here's the firmware update. So we can select when we want this device to be updated. We followed all the instructions. It even has the installation method. So you can follow the step-by-step instruction. Next, we are going to pair the chime. So it's saying check the LED. It has to turn green. That's when it will be paired. Alright, successfully paired. We can even name this device. So we have named it Smart Chime. We are almost done. So next it's check firmware. So this is the firmware update for Tapo Chime. So click on that. It will take a few minutes. So the firmware update is complete. So it says congratulations, your Tapo device is up to date and ready to use. On the Tapo app, now Porch Doorbell has been added. Follow the instruction. So some update is required. Click on update now. So this update is for the doorbell. If you go to Tapo app and click on Porch Doorbell, here's how it looks like. So there are so many configurations and settings we can do over here. I clicked on detection. So there are many settings we can do here. It has smart AI detection and notification. So smart AI identifies people, pets, vehicles and packages. Detection zones, I've selected set for each. Detection type, we can either turn it on or turn it off. For motion detection, I've turned it off. Otherwise, even if a leaf falls on the porch, it will detect and send notification. All the other detection type, I've turned them on. So if I click on package detection, I can even select the sensitivity or the activity zone. So this one is for person. We can even add zone. So click on add zone. For vehicle detection, I've only selected the driveway. This is such an amazing feature. So we can highlight specific areas to monitor. When we click on the light, it will turn on the light. If we click on the privacy mode, it will be active. So streaming and recording functions will be disabled. If we select quick response, we can select one of these responses or we can add voice response.
Hey, what's up?
This is a custom message my husband added. Here are some of the automated responses.
Sorry, not interested. I'll be there in a minute. No one can answer the door right now. We are notified you stopped by. Please leave the item by the door.
Here is the night vision. So even at night, it shows vivid full color video. Plus the built-in spotlight enhances security and visibility. If you click on video and display, it has night mode settings. So click on that and there are 3 night mode settings. So we can either pick infrared mode, doorbell mode or full color mode. So I have picked doorbell mode. Yet another cool feature is anti-theft alarm. So this has to be turned on. So if somebody removes the doorbell, an alarm will be triggered. Let's say if you want to remove the doorbell, first you have to turn off the anti-theft alarm. Doorbell notification, you can select one of these. Ring call, you will receive a ring call on your phone when someone presses the doorbell, or you can select push notifications. So you'll receive a notification. So I've selected that. So I just received package delivery notification on my phone, and sure enough, we have a package. Here's a smart and cool setting that we love. So click on Smart Actions and we can automate package delivery and night detection lights. Here's what we have done when a package is delivered. So that's the trigger, and we have added two actions. TV backlight should turn on and send notification. We can even do some customization for the lighting. So we have picked red color for the TV backlight. This is how it looks like. So when we receive a package, TV backlight turns red. How cool is this? If you have other smart lights, you can even pick that. I'm going to add another action, so I'm going to show it to you guys. So click on Add Action and click on Control One Device. So I'm going to select Outside Lights. Click on Turn On. So now Outside Lights has been added. When a package is delivered, I've added three actions. TV backlight will turn on, send notification package delivered, and also outside lights will turn on. If you don't have a micro SD card, Tapo offers Tapo Care cloud services. So they have both monthly and yearly subscription plans. They have both basic and premium plans. For basic, unlimited cloud storage for 7 days, and premium 30 days. So they both offer rich notifications with snapshots. It also has the video summary feature, so it will compile your video clips into a short video that summarizes what happened throughout the day. For more details, do check out the Tapo.com website. The Tapo D235 is the newest model and D225 is the old model. So the only difference between these two is D235 has 5 MP camera and D225 has 4 MP or QHD camera. The Tapo D235 is the latest model in their lineup, and it's so new that it's not even available on Amazon yet. So when it's available, I'll post the link to buy in the description below. The D225 model is available on Amazon, so I'll post the link in the description. Check that out. Here's my conclusion. The Tapo D235 video doorbell camera is packed with incredible features like 2K 5MP resolution camera, 180 degrees ultra wide view. It offers flexible installation with a long-lasting battery or wired option, smart AI detection, local or cloud storage, all without subscription fees, two-way audio, and seamless integration with Google Home and Alexa. So this is truly the best on the market and offers everything you could want in a smart doorbell. The only downside I can think of is the lack of a built-in siren. I hope Tapo will add this feature in the next release. Its incredible performance with advanced and smart AI detection easily make up for it. So I highly recommend this product if you're looking for the best on the market. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Until then, take care and bye.